Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of meme coins and how you can seize early investment opportunities. If you're looking for emerging cryptocurrencies to invest in, you've come to the right place. First, let's understand what meme coins are. These are cryptocurrencies often created from memes or cultural trends on the internet. They can yield significant profits but also carry many risks. So how can you identify potential meme coins before they explode? One of the most effective ways is to monitor platforms like CoinGecko and DEX tools. These websites not only provide pricing information but also allow you to review newly launched coins, trading volumes, and various other indicators. Take your time to research and analyze. Next, don't forget to browse social media. Twitter and Reddit are great places to find hot information about new projects. Following reputable accounts and participating in discussion communities will help you grasp trends and opinions from industry insiders. Additionally, using blockchain analysis tools like BSC Scan or Etherscan is crucial. These tools allow you to track transactions, review smart contract information, and analyze the behavior of other investors. Think of this as your detective toolkit for uncovering hidden gems in the cryptocurrency world. However, not all platforms are safe. A prime example is Pump Club, where many investors join in hopes of quick profits. But statistics show that only about 20% of investors on these platforms can make a profit, while most may lose their entire investment. Remember that investing in meme coins isn't always safe. Sometimes it resembles gambling more than a reliable investment strategy. Therefore, always exercise caution and establish a risk management plan for yourself. To effectively manage risk, you should clearly define the amount you're willing to invest and the level of risk you can accept. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio to minimize risk. Another helpful tip is to stay updated with market information. The cryptocurrency world changes rapidly, and keeping up with the latest news will help you make informed decisions. You should also participate in online discussion groups or forums focused on cryptocurrencies. These places often share valuable information and real-life experiences from various investors. Learn from them, but remember that each decision ultimately rests with you. It's also essential to be cautious of advertisements or overly ambitious promises from new projects. Often, coins with high potential come with significant uncertainty. Always conduct thorough research before deciding to invest in any project. Lastly, remember that there are no guarantees of success in investing. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and can change overnight. Learn from others' mistakes and maintain a calm mindset when the market fluctuates. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on the latest cryptocurrency information. We will continue to bring you useful tips and knowledge in future videos. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. See you next time. If you need any adjustments or specific information, let me know. If you need further assistance or adjustments, feel free to ask.